Howdy.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, living the dream.
All right.
So you want to see the hideout, eh?
I would love to, if that's okay.
Well, we do stick you up for $5 whole bucks.
All right, you got it. Card's okay?
Yep, cards okay.
Awesome. There you go. Tell you what, might as well pick up a couple of things too, so you can charge in one shot. What is this?
That's a coin holder.
Oh, coin purse.
Yeah, coin purse. See that?
Definitely do the nickel. What is this? Oh, it's a patch, yeah.
Toothpick holders.
Yeah, let's do that as well. Huh. Interesting.
So where do you come from?
I'm actually from San Diego.
Okay.
I rode my bike to Toronto, Canada, and I'm going home now.
Okay. Back to San Diego.
Back to San Diego. I just crossed the halfway mark.
Oh, I used to live in El Cajon.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Back in the 70s when I was in the Navy.
Oh, yeah.
The NAS Miramar. So.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we lived at that. That's what it was, Navy. It wasn't Marine Corps. So.
Oh, that's cool.
Been quite a few years ago, but I know things have changed.
Since 70s, I'm sure it's changed a lot since then.
Yeah.
Bullet knife. All right, I think that's it.
That'll do it for you then, huh?
Yep.
So we have... And 57.
So what's the deal with Dalton? I've never heard of him. Are they like a famous gang or something?
Yeah, they were a outlaw gang that, that's 7, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 70. Yeah, they were train robbing outlaws down in Oklahoma and Indian Territory. Better put the card in, might help. So.
Okay.
And this is where a sister lived. And we believe they came and hid out here, used the tunnel to get back and forth between the house and the barn unseen by anybody.
Interesting.
They didn't want anybody knowing where they were at.
That's a real picture out of commission?
Yeah, that's what happened when they tried to rob 2 banks at the same time back in Coffeyville, Kansas.
Ooh.
It didn't work so well for them.
Well, yeah.
There's a brochure for you.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
And you're welcome to go up the tunnel there to Eva's house. And when you come back out the tunnel, there's a museum upstairs here too. So
okay, awesome.
A place for you to go.
Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, gotta pick these up.
Sorry, I should have put that in the bag for you.
You charged me for these, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I come back out the same way I go in? Okay.
Sure do. always had, but, we don't charge you the normal $5, it's just, $1 a piece.